What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you every single buckcoin stash and construction site. So, the first buckcoin is right here. You just press a button. And then the second one is up here. Right here. Where the orange music places. And then the third one is in here. Just press that button right here. And then the fourth one is down here. It's one of these buttons. Like, there it is. You press a button somewhere here. Okay. And the last but not least, the fifth one. Okay. The fifth one is right here. You don't see it really, but it is actually here. But thank you for watching. And I want to get to the goal of 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe.